Hello guys, uh, so today I'm gonna show you my new product that I just purchased from online. It is a solar panel battery. It's a battery pack now, so I just purchased it from it now. Actually, I bought from this store. It is located at Siem Reap Explore Outdoor. Yeah, this is I got the warranty card. I don't know what's wrong with this, but in case that it has some problem. Alright, now let's unboxing it and then check it out. Yeah, I got it. You know, the reason that I purchased this one, actually it's really important for me for my travel kits. You know, actually whenever you have a camping, you are outdoor trip, you need something to refill your battery power. So that's why sometimes it's really hard for you when you are taking the phone, when you're using your camera and then the battery runs out. You need to use all these things, to power them up. Okay. Alright, now let's check it out. Oh, not sure what happened with this. It is said this is the 20 watts power of a power bank. I'm not sure. I think this stuff is made in China actually. Alright guys, so now I just got this. It is a EO solar panel 20 watts. Okay, yeah, I just bought it from this shop's name, and the cost is $23.99 US. I got this price tag, and look at this. We have for a portable solar panel here. The thing is, I just got only one USB plugged in, only one here, so that's the problem, But in case there's a matter or some damage into this, we cannot connect the wire and then transfer the power to the mobile phone. I know that's a problem now. I just do finish, reading this user manual, and I just read over from page to pages, and then I got all the information. And the other side is Chinese language, and I don't know what the fuck it is. Okay, there is another clipper. I got it too, and yeah, you can clip it on somewhere, and this. All right. So I'm not sure how this thing is gonna work, but I'm gonna try and to put it, under the sunlight, and then whether check about the how does it work. Okay. Alright guys, now so I just put all these things, under the sunlight here, and then I just noticed there's a red light, on this portable thing. Yeah, it's turned red now. Okay. So I guess it is work.